Hi guys, we will attempt to pick this American lock. It's this very heavy, very nice machined padlock. It's a wafer lock, that's the key. And it works perfectly. It's a brand new lock. It's ball bearing, so you can't shim this. There are 5 wafers on each side. And let's see if we can attempt and pick it in decent amount of time. So let me just press the bottom ones and see if we can pick it real quick. It's not a bad lock. I would have to say it's not a bad lock at all. So let's see the other side. Okay, you heard the click, so this set and open. Here we go. I forgot to mention, is the series H10 and it's made, I think that was the code when was the manufacturing date, but I don't have no idea what is VEE. So if somebody knows, please let me know. Let's cut it real quick. See what's inside. So bolt comes out. There is a pin here that holds the core in place. Show you in a moment. Need to use the key to take the whole thing out. And just push it, and here comes the core. And there is a pin over here, which I'll show you. Let me take out the pin, it will be easier. Okay, so that is the pin that's holding the core, so you don't over rotate it. So, come on, camera, please focus. So this holds the core in place so that you can't take it out. Here are the wafers, 5 double wafers on both sides. It is definitely a nice lock. If there is a better core for it, I would have to look for one. Maybe we can make it a little bit harder to pick, but still, it's a very nice quality lock and I do like it. Thank you for your time, thanks for watching, and keep it legal, guys. Cheers!